Hey everyone, I'm Dee of Sew Hot Mommy, and usually I do videos about sewing and style, but today I'm going to do a Hobonichi unboxing because I am an avid bullet journaler, and so this is my guilty pleasure of choice. So I'll start with the pencil board. I got it in the warm red basically because that's all that was left. So this is the large A5 size. Next, this is typical for me. I always get a cover on cover, plain, nothing with a pattern. So again, that's the A5 size. So the next thing is the cover, and this is A5 too. This is the strawberry and biscuit set. And when you look at it online, it looks like it's yellow. It's not. It is the color of a biscuit. It is decidedly beige, and the interior is like a deep pink mauve. So you can see it here. It's a very pretty color, nice color combination, but that cover is definitely beige, not yellow. So let's get into some of the accessories that I got. So you can see here, this is my first time getting one of the rivet bands, so I got them both in the large. One is this pretty dark brown and pink band, which I got to go with the strawberry and biscuit cover. And it's really pretty. It's a light pink, and I think the little leather piece is brown. Let's open it up and we can see. But you use these to go around your covers just to keep things in, and you're one of those people who likes to put a lot of stuff inside along with their journal. So, and I'm one of them. And so this is the second band I got to go with another cover, and this one is hydrangea and light green. It's a very pretty color too, and it definitely is light green. On this video is pretty true to color, so you can see it here. So there you can see it better against the pencil board. So this is my first time buying one of their stamps, and so you can see it's the memo stamp, and I've already tried it out. I have some archival ink, and I like it because the edges are very crisp. So when you load it with ink, you don't have to do much, and it gives a nice outline of color. So these are the typical multi-pens that they always give. So that one has three colors, blue, black, and red, and then they gave a brush pen, and it has rice paper with it. And then for me, I like the Avec because I like the slimmer book. So this has the January start. So January to, what is it? I don't know, July or something like this, or whatever. The 6 months of January to June, and then July to December. And I will use that in my new cover. And so it comes with a little guide at the end. So very cute. Lots of good stuff. But that is pretty much it. You can see I only put one book in at a time. And I like having a pencil board also because it's nice to write with, because I always use a fountain pen because of the Tomoe paper is just so smooth and nice. But yeah, that is it. Hope you enjoyed, and you can get a better idea of some of the items that you can purchase on their website.